In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Temu order Sinhala 2026 step by step. To get started, open the Temu app on your Android or iPhone, or simply go to the Temu website in your browser. Either option works, so just use whichever one feels more convenient for you. Once you're on the platform, sign into your Temu account. In some regions, guest checkout may also be available, which means you might be able to place an order without creating an account first. After that, use the search bar at the top of the screen or browse through the product categories to find the item you want to buy. This part is important because taking a moment to search carefully can help you find the exact version of the product you need. When you find something you like, open the product page. Here, you should look through the product description, the listed price, the photos, customer reviews, and the shipping information. This gives you a better understanding of what you're ordering and helps you avoid choosing the wrong item. Next, select the product options if they apply. Depending on the item, this could include size, color, style, or quantity. Make sure the options match what you want before moving on, because even a small mistake here can affect your order. Once everything looks right, tap or click Add to Cart. If you want to skip the cart and purchase the item immediately, you can choose Buy Now instead. If you're still shopping, adding the product to your cart is usually the better option. Now open your shopping cart and review everything carefully. Check that the item is correct, the quantity is right, and the selected options are exactly what you intended to choose. When you're satisfied, tap or click Checkout to continue. At the checkout stage, enter your shipping information, including your delivery details and anything else required for the order to arrive correctly. Then choose your payment method. Temu may support options such as a credit card, debit card, digital wallet, or other available payment methods depending on your region. Before you finish, review your full order one more time. Double check your shipping information, payment method, selected items, shipping costs, and the total amount. This final review helps prevent errors and gives you a chance to fix any